By the end of the video, we'll know about 20-minute HIIT workout for beginners. Get fit in no time. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Are you new to the world of workouts and wondering how to get started? Well, you've hit the right spot. Today, I've got a fantastic 20-minute HIIT workout tailored for beginners just like you. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. First and foremost, warm-up is essential. I recommend doing some light cardio for 5 minutes. It could be jogging on the spot or jump rope. This will loosen your muscles and prepare them for the workout ahead. Now, let's get into the main act. Set your timer to 20 minutes and embark on this HIIT journey with me. For every 30 seconds, we'll do exercises at a moderate pace, like walking followed by a high-paced jogging. We'll repeat these 4 minutes. 1. Jog on the spot, 30 seconds. 2. Walk on the spot, 30 seconds. 3. Jumping jacks, 30 seconds. 4. Rest, 30 seconds. 5. High knees, 30 seconds. 6. Rest, 30 seconds. 7. Air squats, 30 seconds. 8. Rest, 30 seconds. 9. Sit-ups or push-ups, your choice, 30 seconds. 10. Rest, 30 seconds. 11. Burpees or skip, if you're just starting out, 30 seconds rest. 12. Plank holds, 30 seconds rest. 13. Lunges alternate legs, 30 seconds rest. 14. Squats, 30 seconds rest. 15. Power skips or jump rope skips, your choice, 60 seconds rest. This is your last exercise for the first set. Take a 1-minute break and then repeat the whole set once more. When done, take a well-deserved break and stretch out those muscles before starting your day in high spirits. Remember to stay hydrated throughout this journey, as well as any other workouts you may do after this one. Share your experience with others by posting your results in the comments section below. And don't forget to hit that like button if you found this helpful. If you want more such content, press that subscribe button and stay tuned for more fitness tips coming your way soon. Thank you for joining me today. See you in the next video.